वेलकम एव्हरीबडी. आज आपण वर्गसमीकरण या प्रकरणामधील स्टार क्वेश्चन्स तुम्हाला परीक्षेला 4 मार्काला विचारली जाणारी प्रॉब्लेम्स हे पुस्तकाच्या बाहेरचे परंतु क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वरती अवलंबून असतात. असे काही एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉब्लेम्सचा पार्ट 2 हा भाग आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. Problem number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Is the same problem of previous problem. Is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? First, you understand the meaning of this problem. आयताकृती पार्क डिझाइन करण्यासाठी दिलेली अट शक्य आहे का? त्या रेक्टँग्युलर पार्कची पेरिमीटर परिमिती 80 मीटर दिलेली आहे आणि त्या आयताकृती पार्कचे क्षेत्रफळ 400 मीटरचा वर्ग दिलेला आहे. प्रथम जर कंडिशन पॉसिबल असेल, इफ सो फाइंड इट्स लेंथ अँड ब्रेथ, तर त्या आयताकृती पार्कची लांबी आणि रुंदी काढा. Solution of this problem: let length and breadth of park is L and B respectively. Length of park is L and breadth of park is a B. Then the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. आयताची परिमिती बरोबर 2 कंसात लांबी अधिक रुंदी. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is given in a problem 80 meter. Therefore, 2 in bracket L plus B is equal to 80. These 2 goes down RHS side, then we get divide. L plus B is equal to 80 upon 2 is equal to 40. Therefore, L plus B is equal to 40. From this equation, to get the one value L or B, that is to find the value of B in terms of L, B is equal to 40 minus L. This is the equation number 1. या समीकरणावरून आपण B ची किंमत L च्या स्वरूपात लिहिली. हा प्लस L पुढे घ्या RHS साइडला, तो मायनस होईल. B is equal to 40 minus L is the equation number 1. And in a problem, the given area of rectangular park is a 400 meter square. Therefore, area of rectangular park is a L into B. आणि आयताचे क्षेत्रफळ बरोबर लांबी गुणिले रुंदी. Therefore, the area of rectangular park is given 400. Therefore, L multiply B is equal to 400. From equation 1, substitute the value of B is equal to 40 minus L in this equation. Then we get L multiply 40 minus L. The value of B is equal to 400. L multiply each and every term in a bracket. First L multiply 40 is the 40L minus L multiply L. L square is equal to 400. This minus L square plus 40L goes on LHS side, then we get plus minus L square is a plus L square plus 40L is a minus 40L plus 400 is equal to 0. या समीकरणामध्ये मायनस L स्क्वेअर आणि प्लस 40L RHS साइडला घ्या, ते प्लस होतील. म्हणून L square minus 40L and plus 400 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. First, to check the possibility, then to find the value of discriminant. To find the value of discriminant, this quadratic equation comparing with general form or standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 40. And c is equal to 400. Then we get the value a, b and c. Then to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b is a minus 40 square minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 400. minus 40 square is a 1600, minus 400 multiply 4, then we get minus 1600. 1600 minus 1600 is equal to 0. Hence, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The nature of roots of the given quadratic equation has real and equal. Therefore, real roots exist. The possible situation is a possible for a real roots are exist. Then discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The nature of roots, we say that the roots are real and equal. Therefore, real roots are exist. Write down. The situation is a possible root of this equation. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, L is equal to minus b upon 2a. Here minus 40 upon 2 multiply 1 is equal to 40 upon 2 is equal to 20. By using the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we get the length is equal to minus b upon 2a. आपण फॉर्म्युला जर पाहिला x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये जर आपण b square minus 4ac ची किंमत 0 ठेवली तर आपल्याला l is equal to minus b upon 2a हे रूट्स मिळतात. म्हणजेच b ची किंमत minus 40 upon 2 multiply a, 40 upon 2 is equal to 20. This is the value of l. And the value of b from equation 1, 40 minus l. Substitute the value of l is equal to 20, then b is equal to 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Therefore, the length of park is 20 meter and breadth of park is also 20 meter. This is the answer. Write down. Problem number 4. A motor boat whose speed in a still water is 18 km per hour takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. The meaning of this problem. A motor boat एक विद्युत यंत्रावर चालणारी नाव आहे. तिचा संथ पाण्यातील वेग 18 किलोमीटर पर हावर आहे. प्रति तासाला 18 किलोमीटर. Takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstream and that to return downstream to the same spot. ती 24 किलोमीटर अंतरावर प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने आणि परत मूळ ठिकाणी एका तासामध्ये येते. फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. तर त्या प्रवाहाचा वेग किती. लेट द स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम इज x किलोमीटर पर हावर्स. पाण्याच्या संथ पाण्याचा वेग हा आपण x किलोमीटर प्रति तास मानो. Therefore, their relative speed of boat going upstream and to return downstream. Therefore, upstream it get minus and downstream to flow with direction of water is the plus. Therefore, speed of boat going upstream is the 18 minus a. We have to consider here speed of stream is a. Speed of boat going upstream is equal to 18 minus a kilometer per hours and speed of boat in a downstream is a 18 plus a. First you understand the upstream and downstream. Upstream चा अर्थ आहे प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने आणि डाउनस्ट्रीम चा अर्थ आहे प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने. जेव्हा एखादी नाव प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने जाते तेव्हा नावेचा वेग आणि पाण्याचा वेग एकत्र येतो म्हणजे प्लस होतो, आणि जेव्हा नाव प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने म्हणजे अपस्ट्रीम जाते तेव्हा नावेचा वेग जास्त असतो, तर नावेच्या वेगातून पाण्याचा वेग कमी होतो. Therefore, speed of boat going upstream 18 minus a kilometer per hour and speed of boat in a downstream 18 plus a kilometer per hour. We know that the relation between time, distance and speed. Time taken is equal to distance upon speed, and distance is equal to time multiply speed. In a science subject, in a physics, this relation is proved or identified. Time is equal to distance upon speed. वेळ बरोबर अंतर भागिले वेग. Time required to go upstream and return downstream in a 1 hours. म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने 24 किलोमीटर अंतर आणि परत मूळ दिशेला प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने 24 किलोमीटर अंतर येण्यास 1 तास लागतो. Therefore, time is equal to distance upon speed. 24 upon 18 minus a minus 24 upon 18 plus a is equal to 1. म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने जाण्यास आणि पुन्हा त्याच ठिकाणी येण्यास 1 तास लागतो, म्हणजे आपल्या दोघांचा टाइम हा काय होईल इज इक्वल टू 1 असेल. हिअर at numerator 24 at numerator take common. In a bracket 1 upon 18 minus a minus 1 upon 18 plus a bracket close is equal to 1. In a bracket also cross multiplication. 24 in a bracket 18 plus a multiply 1, this minus sign, 18 minus a multiply 1, 18 minus a. At numerator in a bracket minus sign multiply in a bracket of every terms. Then we get 24 in a bracket 18 plus a minus multiply minus 18, here minus minus plus a upon a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square, 18 square minus a square bracket close is equal to 1. Here minus 18 plus 18 get cancelled at numerator. Here is a plus a is the plus 2. 24 multiply plus 2 and denominator 18 square 324 minus a square goes on RHS side, then we get multiply. 1 multiply 324 minus a square, then we get 24 multiply 2a is equal to 324 minus a square. 24 into 2 is a 48a is equal to 324 minus a square. This minus a square goes on LHS side, then we get plus a square plus 48a. This plus 324 goes on LHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, a square plus 48a minus 324 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Write down. लिहून घ्या सर्वांनी. Next part of this problem. A square plus 48a minus 324 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. To find the factor of minus 324 is a constant term and a square of coefficient is a 1. 1 multiply minus 324 is equal to minus 324. To find the factor of minus 324 such that their product is minus 324 and their subtraction is plus 48 is the coefficient of middle terms. Factors of minus 6 multiply 54 is equal to minus 324 and their subtraction minus 6 plus 54 is equal to 48. In this quadratic equation, to find the roots, 48a split into plus 54a minus 6a. Then we get a square plus 54a minus 6a minus 324 is equal to 0. In this equation, a square plus 54a, a square plus 54a, take common a in bracket a plus 54. In a second group, 6a minus 324 minus 6 take common in a bracket remaining a plus 54 is equal to 0. In this equation, both term contain a plus 54 bracket is the same, take again common. A plus 54 remaining bracket contain this a minus 6 is equal to 0. Equating to 0 every bracket, then we get the value of a. A plus 54 is equal to 0 and a minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to plus 54 goes down RHS side, then we get minus a is equal to minus 54 and a minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 goes down RHS side, then we get plus 6. A is equal to 6. But the negative number do not exist. The negative number do not represent the speed. Therefore, A is equal to 6. Speed of stream is 6 km per hour. This is the answer of this problem. Write down. Problem number 5. The numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. If 1 is added to the denominator, the fraction is decreased by 1 upon 15. Find the fraction. Meaning of this problem, the numerator of fraction is 3 less than its denominator. अपूर्णांकाचा अंश छेदापेक्षा 3 ने कमी आहे. If 1 is added to denominator, जर छेदामध्ये 1 मिळवला तर तो फ्रॅक्शन 1 upon 15 ने कमी होतो. तर तो फ्रॅक्शन, तो अपूर्णांक काढा. Let denominator be x and numerator is x minus 3. ह्या अटीवरून ठरवायचं आपण न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर x मानायचा आहे. अपूर्णांकाचा अंश छेदापेक्षा 3 ने लहान आहे. जर छेद माहित असेल तर आपल्याला अपूर्णांक माहिती होईल आणि म्हणून आपण डिनोमिनेटर x कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. डिनोमिनेटर बी x and numerator is a x minus 3. Then the fraction will be numerator upon denominator. X minus 3 is a numerator and upon x is a denominator. X minus 3 upon x. If 1 is added to the denominator, छेदामध्ये जर आपण 1 मिळवला तर new denominator is x plus 1. And then you get new fraction is equal to x minus 3 numerator as it is and denominator is a x plus 1. नवीन अपूर्णांक मिळेल x minus 3 upon x plus 1. दिलेली अट पहा. If 1 is added to the denominator, the fraction is decreased by 1 upon 15. जो नवीन अपूर्णांक मिळालेला आहे, नवीन अपूर्णांकामधून मूळ अपूर्णांक जर वजा केला तर तो 1/15 येतो, असा या अटीचा अर्थ आहे. Therefore, given condition x minus 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 upon x minus 1 upon 15. 1 upon 15 ने तो कमी होतो, म्हणजेच x minus 3 upon x plus 1. Here on RHS side is a cross multiplication. 15 multiply x minus 3, the minus sign x multiply 1 upon x into 15, 15x. To solve numerator on RHS side, x minus 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to 15x minus 45 minus x upon 15x. Here x minus 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to 14x minus 45 upon 15x. Here is a 15x minus x is a 14x minus 45 upon 15x. Again here on LHS side and RHS side is the equal part, cross multiplication. 15x multiply x minus 3. Then we get 15x in bracket x minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 multiply 14x minus 45. Then 15x multiply x minus 3, then we get 15x square minus 15 3s are 45x is equal to x plus 1 multiply 14x minus 45 is equal to x multiply 14x minus 45 plus 1 multiply 14x minus 45. Therefore, 15x square minus 45x is equal to x multiply 14x is a 14x square minus x multiply 45 minus 45x plus 1 multiply 14x plus 14x minus 1 multiply 45 minus 45. To add and subtract the like terms, 15x square, here plus 14x square goes on LHS side, then we get minus 14x square. Here minus 14x, this minus 14x goes on this LHS side, then we get plus 45x. Minus 45x plus 45x get 0. Here plus 14x minus 45 goes down LHS side, then we get plus and minus. Therefore is equal to 0. 15x square minus 14x square minus 45x plus 45x minus 14x plus 45 is equal to 0. Write down. Here x square minus 14x plus 45 is equal to 0. Then we get this is a quadratic equation. To find the factor of this, 1 multiply 45 is equal to 45. To find the factor of 45 such that product is a plus 45 and their sum is minus 14. Minus 9 multiply minus 5 is equal to plus 45 minus minus plus, and minus 9 minus 5 is equal to minus 14. Their sum is negative number. Therefore, x square minus 9x minus 5x plus 45 is equal to 0. In the first group, x square minus 9x, x take common, x in bracket x minus 9, minus 5 take common in bracket x minus 5 9s are 45. Therefore, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Here x minus 9 take common, remaining bracket contain x minus 5 is equal to 0. Equating 0 to every bracket, x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Hence, the value of x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 5. When denominator is x is equal to 9, then numerator is x minus 3, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, we get fraction 6 upon 9 is equal to 2 upon 3. 6 is a numerator and 9 is a denominator. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then we get a fraction 2 upon 3. When we have to consider the value x is equal to 5. When denominator is a x is equal to 5, numerator is a x minus 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then we get fraction numerator upon denominator, fraction is equal to 2 upon 3. This is the answer.